Hello guys, welcome back to iFixTech. Today, I'm going to show you a very practical product that every DEX needs. Here we have the Link Smart Hub. This is very nice for cable management on your desk. Outside the box, we can find all the specification for the product. Let's open this box and see what is inside. Here's the manual describing all the product specifications. And here is a Smart Hub. On its small and very compact design, we have two USB Type-A, one USB Type-C, and three power outlets. When you turn it over, you can see all the different electrical specifications for each port. Something very interesting is that it is certified by Intertech. Very cool. Also, the build quality is awesome. It looks very solid. Okay, now it's time to connect it. Once it's properly connected, this blue light will be visible. First, I'm going to connect my MacBook Air, and right now it is at 90% of charge. Second, I'm gonna use a USB-C port to connect my iPhone. And as you can see, it will start charging right away. Of course, we can always use several different power hubs, but one of the advantages of this one is since it is very small, you can leave it on your desk. Pretty much you can fit it everywhere. Now we are going to try one of the USB Type-A ports. This time I'm gonna connect my Bicore reader and I'm gonna leave it charged for a while. Remember that even if we have a USB-C ports here, if you're gonna charge a device that requires more than 5 volts, you should always use the charger for this one. For example, if I'm trying to connect my laptop to the USB-C port, that won't be enough to charge it very quickly. For a larger device, you should always use its chargers and connect it to the power outlet. Normally, a smaller device such as a smartphone can be connected to the USB-C port since it requires less volts. So these guys are been charging for about 15 minutes and as you can see, they are almost full. I've been using this guy for about a month now and it is a very cool gadget. If you're interested, I will leave this link on the description. See you in the next one.